Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. I chose the perfect time to fly. Lunchtime. Nobody's around. My favorite place. Let's fly iFlight Nazgul, and I'll keep the camera running so that I can do some commentary. Quad is pretty heavy, however I've flown it and this thing defies gravity on SucceX. So let's give it a try. Today I'll be flying it using the FPV goggles, that is Fat Shark Scout, and of course my new best friend, the Taranis X9D Plus SE 2019 carbon fiber version. I brought the Caddx Dolphin, the new camera. I'm not sure how good it will shoot because basically this is a IP security type and live streaming camera as well as action camera. Max it can shoot 1080p 30 frames per second. Fits really nice on the quadcopter, though not that kind of angle which I need basically. You can see my camera is at a very big angle and I might be watching some of the, I have to anyway put the camera down, FPV, otherwise I'll be watching the bottom of this camera. Anyway, everything is ready, so why not we start flying? So here we go. Whoa, the way this baby climbs. Oh, look at that. How it's like, it's an elevator, when I leave the throttle, it just keeps climbing. Woo, it's not falling, it's... That's a SucceX setup, baby, right there. With my little camera angle, I am basically unable to fly faster. Ooh, boy. Oh, woo! Man, the SucceX really. Damn it, I can hear those screamings. Motors are screaming that way, and the quad is just with a little bit, punches climbing that way. I'm receiving low voltage warning, this much quick. Come on, people. This is not good, man. The low voltage warning is really quick. Did I set the low voltage warning too early, maybe? Nonetheless, I want to do one loop. Woo! That was nice, man. Getting low battery warning. Ah, come on. This much quick. I hate you, Nazgul. You're eating battery like that. I mean, really. Now I have 3.5 volt left per cell. I just dropped it like a turd. Alright, I can bring it close now. Okay, let me stop recording for the cameras. Alright, this is the second flight, people, and here we go. Let's enjoy the second flight with iFlight Nazgul. SucceX battery, and let's have fun. Damn it, man. The way it actually shoots up. It's like anti-gravity, like defy gravity button. It's like defy gravity button, and quad goes, man, my nose is running, the allergy thing, and the quad goes screaming up in the skies. When you talk about speed, this baby has all the speed that you need. Obviously, I have to run more serious camera angles. Very, very serious camera angles. Whoa, man. I mean, even when you reduce the throttle, it just keeps climbing. Woo! I am like, you know, floating. Absolutely loving this hang time here, man. Wait, there's a net here. Cannot see it in the video goggles. Man, I used to have shittiest reception in this area. But look at that now. The reception is absolutely nice. I can do whatever I want. Low battery warning. Come on, iFlight Nazgul. I mean, really? That's not good, man. That's definitely not good, man. Ooh, loving this climb and hang time, man. But hating this low battery warning coming out so early. Alright, 3.4 volts per cell. .3 volts per cell, back to 3.4. Power loop. Sweet, man. I mean, I love the performance of this quadcopter, but hate the way it's going through batteries this way. That's like no fun at all, man. 3.4, I'll land when it's 3.2. Until then, I'll just enjoy flying. Sweet, man, this hang time, I love it. I have to, I think, opt in for pinch methods. I have to switch to pinch method maybe. Because sometimes when I punch the throttle, I actually accidentally give the yaw as well. Man, this thing is ripping some speeds. .3 volts is still. Okay, 3.2 volts now. Let's not torture the battery. I have to drop it like a turd. All right, now I'm talking about conclusions. Feeling of controlling and flying these things, I mean FPV racing quadcopters with X9D plus SE 2019 version, is absolutely different. It's beautiful. I mean, M9 also gimbals are really nice and soft, and radio feels really nice and solid. No issues there with the Taranis. Fat Shark Scout, definitely the most solid downlink after Fat Shark goggles that I used to have. I switched to other brands, but now I am back to Fat Shark, and I can say one of the most solid downlinks I have. Normally, before I flew in this area is very, very filled with the noise, interference. Have to do a lot with the lots of metal in the stadium there. With Sky Zone goggles, I wasn't having very good luck. I tried other goggles, you know, always glitchy video here. I was worried that I'll lose video, but with Fat Shark Scout, no problems at all. The only issue I'm having with Fat Shark Scout is that the Fat Shark says the battery here, the Ion 18650, will last for 2 hours. But hey, I'm already on 30% battery, and what? I had only 3 flights. I had a flight with the Larva X, I had a flight with Beta 8585X, and I have 1 flight with this one. And battery is already running out. It's only 30% left, so I'm not very happy with that. Maybe I have to order a few more batteries, or just power the goggles with the USB-C cable and a 4S battery. That's what I'm gonna do. Now, for the iFlight Nazgul, man, the amount of power, the amount of performance this thing have. I have to do something about, I have to move the camera back so I can increase the angle of this camera, and then I can probably put the battery down here. And you know what? This thing is a serious FPV ripper. There's a lot of power and punch. It literally defies gravity. It's just, even after punch, you reduce the throttle to 0, this thing keeps climbing like on an elevator and then falls slowly. That feeling is absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful hang time on this baby. But it's eating batteries. It's eating 6S batteries like, you know, like a thirsty person in the desert going through the bottles of water. That's the issue here. Anyway, I have another 6S battery, so why not we strap that and do some more ripping. And this time I will put the camera a little bit back and, you know, put the battery down here and see how it goes. You know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.